Welcome back to our channel Rise and Shine, and we are knowing about Swami Vivekananda. What did we know in our yesterday's episode, children? Yes, we knew that Vivekananda grew with virtues. Values and virtues make a man perfect. So, it should be learned from childhood. Now, children, let me tell you how Billy improved more and more good qualities and how he learned many arts. Okay, children. So, Billy was very good in games. He played many games. Yes, he played many games with his friends, but a very important game he knew and he liked was sitting in meditation. Yes, they played the game as they were munis and they are sitting for meditation. As it was a game, other boys used to sit and they used to open their eyes and see. But Billy, yes, you all know about his previous life. He was one among the great rishis. So, when Billy used to sit for meditation, he used to concentrate well in meditation, and he was able to sit for meditation for hours and hours. He did not move. He was just like Lord Buddha when he sat for meditation. So he was like a stone. He did not move at all. One fine day, when all his friends and Billy sat on the terrace for meditating, a snake came there, but all the friends, because they opened their eyes and they saw the snake near Billy, they shouted, saying, Billy, get up, there's a snake beside you. Billy, come on, get up. Billy, open your eyes, and so on. But Billy did not move a bit. He was just sitting and meditating. He didn't move. The snake went away. And Billy, such was Billy's concentration in meditation. Billy was a good learner also. Billy learnt many things. Billy, when he was 6 years, he learnt Ramayana. He knew the stories of Bhagavatam. He knew the stories of Ramayana and Mahabharata because every day he used to sit on his mother's lap and learn more and more stories. His mother used to show him the great heroes and tell about them. She read the stories to him, and Billy, who was a very good learner, and he, yes, at one, if it was told to him one time, he remembered it forever. Such was his concentration in whatever he learnt. So, a teacher was appointed for Billy, and Billy concentrated while the teacher was teaching, and he did not, yes, look at something else, or he was not distracted by anything, but he was always concentrating well on his studies. So he had so much of time. He learned everything in time, and he had so much of time because, yes, he learned everything in a very short time. And so Billy had so much of time for other activities. So he learned to fight with a stick, he learned boxing, he learned wrestling, and his father bought him a very good horse, and he also learned horse riding. Now, Billy was very good in studies and Billy was very good in games. So everybody liked Billy very much. And children, he learnt about Hanuman, he learnt horse riding, he learnt the stories about Sita Devi and Rama, he learnt so many things. So Billy's mother was a Yes, she was a first teacher for him. And children, one day in school, Billy was found talking. And so the teacher kept on asking questions to Billy. But Billy answered all the questions, and the teacher thought Billy was not talking. But finally, Billy answered all the questions, even though he was talking. But the master thought Billy was not the person who was talking. But the master asked the children who was the one who was talking when I was teaching. Now, Billy answered that I was talking. He had that honesty. He replied, he was very truthful. And even though he answered all the questions and the master thought Billy was not the person who was talking, but Billy got up and told the master that I am the person who spoke, sir. So that such was the honesty of Billy. So right from childhood, children, all of you must improve good qualities in yourself. So when you improve good qualities right from childhood, you can be a great person in future. So my dear children, I ask you to follow the good principles, the good habits right from childhood, my dear children. It will make you a better person and it will make you perfect in future. So, okay, children, bye. Love you all.